shower and storm chances do spike. So that'll be our next big ticket item that we're tracking, Dia. Those shower and storm chances rising late in the weekend, early next week.
All right, Tom, thank you. Amazon promises a better experience next Prime Day, and a popular kid snack is being recalled. Jane King is at the NASDAQ market site with these stories and more. It's today's King Business Report.
Amazon had a successful Prime Day. Shoppers spent more than $4 billion and sales were up 33% from a year ago. That's according to Wedbush Securities. But there was a glitch. Amazon failed to secure enough servers to handle all of the traffic. That's according to internal documents obtained by CNBC. Amazon will beef up its website infrastructure for next year. Princess Cruises is adding 2 new liquid natural gas powered ships to its fleet. The ships will be ready for sailing in 2023 and 2025. LNG is the world's cleanest burning fossil fuel, and Princess says it will reduce air emissions and spills into the sea. Pepperidge Farms is recalling 4 types of goldfish crackers because there is a chance the whey powder used in the seasonings contains salmonella. There have not been any reports of illnesses linked to the recall, but Pepperidge Farms says it's acting out of caution. The goldfish snacks that are part of this include extra cheddar, sour cream and onion, whole grain extra cheddar and pretzel. And Yelp is rolling out restaurant hygiene information beginning today. Yelp will offer health inspection results alongside its review and other restaurant information, at least in some cities. It will eventually be rolled out to 750,000 restaurants in its database. From the NASDAQ, I'm Jane King with your business update.
Jane King, thanks so much. Let's take a look, see how stocks are performing at this noon hour. Dow Jones Industrial, nice healthy rally up 229 points, sitting right now at 25,273. NASDAQ Composite also on an uptick up 25 points to sit at 78.66. Well, Nike's raising wages for more than 7,000 employees following an internal review of its pay practices. The move also comes 2 months after the company concluded a probe into workplace behavior that resulted in the departure of several top executives. About 10% of Nike's employees across all levels will get pay adjustments. Glassdoor, the job search and review site, is reporting Nike's mid-level managers are paid between $40,000 and $120,000 each year. Well, if you're planning a trip to the Kennedy Space Center this summer, you'll have to pay a little bit more. Ticket prices are increasing by $7 for entrance into the visitor complex. General admission tickets will now cost $57 for adults, $47 for children ages 3 to 11. This is the first price increase since 2012. The complex is home to the retired space shuttle Atlantis and other space artifacts. Well, many Americans overestimate the health benefits of marijuana and underestimate its risk. Researchers from the University of California in San Francisco surveyed 16,000 adults about their views on marijuana. More than a third believe the drug helps treat pain, insomnia, and depression despite a lack of evidence or proof. And many incorrectly assume pot cannot be addictive, and secondhand smoke from marijuana is safer than tobacco smoke. You know, we hear a lot about depression in mothers, but a new study suggests many fathers struggle as well. Researchers from Indiana University surveyed a group of parents during their child's well-check visit. 4.5% of fathers and 5% of moms screened positive for depression. Experts say pediatric clinics could help address depression in the family. Chris?
News of the weird coming right up. A celebrity